Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
The question is, a rise in general level of price may be caused by. See, these kinds of questions are, it's decade-old questions. Now they are not asking these kinds of questions. But it is one of the easiest questions. You can easily answer it. It is related to the inflation topic. The rise in general price level may be caused by, first, increases in the money supply. Obviously, okay. So if there is the increases in the money supply means, then you will demand a lot. So if the demand is going to increase means, that will lead to the increases in the price. So it is called as demand pull inflation. The demand is pulling the inflation. Okay. So first is demand pull inflation. Next, a decreases in the aggregate level of output. Okay. So what is the aggregate level of output? Which means nothing but consider that is a industry. It is providing the output. Okay. So normally it provides the output of 100 products, but due to certain market scenario or due to any issues with the manufacturing activities or due to any issues with their raw material supply, any issue, due to that, that is lead to reduction in their output of 50. So earlier they provided a supply of 100, now they are providing only 50 products to the market. So at that scenario, in that if that company is going to provide a supply of 100, there is 100 people is demanding. Now what it is happening is they are providing only 50 products, but the demand is still there as 100. Okay. So what that will lead to is, if the prices at this time is 1 rupees means, now it is becoming 2 rupees. So again, if the supply is going to reduce as 30 means, then the prices again it is going to increase around 3 or 4 rupees. Okay. So this is called as cost push inflation. It is the issue with the supply side scenario. So by that also the general level of price will increases. Okay. So second is speaking about the cost push and first is speaking about the demand pull inflation. Next, third, and increases in the effective demand. Again, the supply is around 100 goods and the demanding people are 100. Now the supply is same as that, but the demand is now increasing as 200 people. Again it is increasing to 300. Now it is 400 means, that will also leads to the increase in the price level. So again it is actually a demand pull inflation. So all the three things will lead to the increases in the price level. So the answer is 1, 2, 3. Okay. But sometimes they will make a question in a different manner. They will list this 3 statement and they will ask a question like, which of the following are the demand pull inflation, or else which of the following is the cost push inflation. That thing also they may ask. Okay. So please note that. So this is one of the easiest question and the answer is D. And also you have to note that what is inflation means, it is increases in the price level, or else the currency value is goes on decreasing means, that is called as inflation. Okay. So there are 2 definitions. Please note that also. Okay. Thank you.